Well, it is Saturday afternoon, and I am in the office finishing up for clients and their families for cases next week in Pennsylvania and New Jersey. I had a couple clients in the office this morning, and I expect a very, very busy week next week for our law firm, both in Pennsylvania and New Jersey. Put out a blog article today regarding search warrants in New Jersey, and search warrants are always a hot topic at our law firm in both Pennsylvania and New Jersey. Now, New Jersey, remember, is very different than Pennsylvania with regards to warrantless searches, because warrantless searches are permissible for vehicles in New Jersey. They're not permissible in most situations in Pennsylvania. Police need a search warrant to search a car in Pennsylvania. They don't need a search warrant to search a car in New Jersey if police have probable cause to believe the vehicle contains contraband. Now, with regards to search warrants, the article details the process needed to get a search warrant. It requires the police officer to go before a judge and swear an oath as to the probable cause for the warrant. And they can use pretty much anything to get the warrant. They can use hearsay evidence, they can use anonymous tips, they can use anything, because it's what the courts refer to as a totality of circumstances analysis. So they can pretty much throw everything at the wall to see what sticks, just to put it bluntly. Now, a search warrant is very powerful. It allows police to go through property and in and out of it and search for what they are looking for. And if it's a small item, in which case most of it is, like a piece of a firearm or drugs, they can search in cabinets, they can search in drawers, they can pretty much go through the entire house. I've even had situations where police have taken out floorboards to get inside of a hollow compartment, perhaps underneath the floor. So it's a very, very powerful tool, a search warrant is, and it's important to understand your constitutional rights. Now, I advise clients never to give consent to search a vehicle or a piece of property. If police are asking you for your consent, they most likely don't have probable cause to search, and that's why they're asking for the consent. Because if you give consent, it negates your constitutional rights and allows them to not get a search warrant and perform the search. If you have questions about this, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. It is the weekend, and I realize that people are traveling in and out of New Jersey and Pennsylvania. If police stop your car, remember, don't give consent. If they want to give you a breathalyzer test because they think you may be drunk, don't refuse the breathalyzer test. If they want to give you a blood test, don't refuse the blood test. It will never help your criminal case. Remember, if you refuse those chemical tests, your license will be suspended administratively regardless of what happens in the criminal case. So again, these are important rules to follow. Don't give consent, but do submit to a chemical test. I can't stress that enough. The weekends are often our law firm's busiest time, both in Pennsylvania and New Jersey, and we make ourselves available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Also, the website contains some fantastic information. For instance, our weekly e-update comes from the website, and it goes out each and every Friday. It did go out this past Friday, over 4,000 of our current and former clients in Pennsylvania and New Jersey. It's a fantastic piece of information to have going into your weekend. I explain a lot of your constitutional rights and also provides links to all my downloadable books, my videos. At this point, we have over 500 videos, over 1,000 blog articles, and 6 downloadable books with all fantastic pieces of information. But once again, if you have questions about search warrants, warrantless searches, or what you should do following a traffic stop, or if you've been arrested, give us a call at 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey. Have a great Saturday, and I'll talk to you all very soon.